Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going to be going through an absolute country classic by the great Chris Stapleton. This one I've had a lot of requests for. It's called Tennessee Whiskey, so you won't want to miss this, especially because I'm going to be showing you two different ways to play this, one of which is geared towards the beginner guitarists. It's a simpler way to tackle this song, so go and grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Tennessee Whiskey, let's get straight into it. So first off, let me demonstrate what's going to go on today. So let's go. Right, let me show you the chords to that. So first off, we've got the chord of A major. Now you may do it like that, or you may do it like that, or you may do it, I've seen some people do their A majors a bit twisted like that, but that's all fine. So A, I do my A3 like that. So there we go. So A major, and then we're going to move along to a B minor, which is a bar chord in this instance. Gives you use of all 6 strings, because obviously we're barring all 6 there, so that gives us a full B minor. So the song's in what's known as 6/8 time, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you can toy around with the strumming with this song. It's more about the feel of the song rather than being all robotic with your timings here. So if one I find that really works well with this one is 1 2 3. So down, 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 up. Then so we've got 1 2 3 4. Down, up, 1 2 3 4. Down, up, 1 2 3 4. So mute that for you. So can you feel that? 2 3 4. Down, up, 1 2 3 4. So let's have some of that. So we're going to do A to the B minor bar chord. So 3 4. Stay in the B minor. Back to the A. Stay there. A. To the B minor. Back to the A. Now, I mean, if you wanted to really simplify this and just go 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4. That works too. I mean, that sounds great. 3 4 5 6 4. All downstrokes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 B minor. 1 2 3 1. Right, what we're going to do now, we're going to move on to the simpler way of doing things. Some of you beginners, although I wouldn't advise you, put off learning bar chords long term. You should never avoid anything in guitar playing. But if you're having a bit of trouble with it now, you want to get on with learning this song, get to it. What I advise you do is to put your capo on the 2nd fret, bam, like that. And then instead of doing the A to B minor, what we're going to do now, we're going to have a G chord. And then we're going to go to an A minor chord. So I'll show that up to the camera. There's a G, or you may do your G's like that. That's fine. I do my G's like that. And then down to an A minor, like that. Again, with the same strum pattern. So have a little fool around with this. 3 4 5 let me show you how to play the intro. This is the bit that goes... Right, how are we playing that? Let me show you. So first off, we want to be open E, the top string. And then we want to hammer down onto the 2nd fret of the E. Then we want to open A, which is the 5th string. So let's put all that together. And then what we're going to do, we're going to slide from the 2nd fret of the A string up to the 4th fret of the A string. Now that movement to and back happens a lot in the intro. So let's get that straight. So we've got... Sorry, let's do that again. So what we did there, we just struck the 5th string, the A string, and slid it up to the 4th fret. So we did there, I'll do that a bit closer for you, up to the camera. And then we're going to go. So let's put that again. So we slid up to the 4th fret. Then we're going to do it again and go. And then put it back. We only struck the string once, okay, to get that up and then back. So the secret to that is not to take your finger off the string. Keep the pressure down. So we've got... Strike it again. And then open. Open A. Yeah, so let's get that far. Got that far, and then we're going to go slide up again. And back. Open A. Then we slide up again twice. So. And then strike twice on the A string. So let's do that one more time for you. So we've got... Yeah. And then slide up again. Open A. And then slide up again and back, and then twice more, twice on the A string. Right, so let's take that right from the beginning. Then twice. Then So there we go, Tennessee Whiskey by the great Chris Stapleton. How did you get along with this one? Let me know down in the comments section below. And also, if there's any songs you'd like me to go through in future videos, again, let me know down in the comments section below. If you've enjoyed today's video, please can you click like and subscribe. A big thank you to those of you who have done that already. You guys are absolutely fantastic. I'm so grateful to you. I will see you in another video. Take care of yourselves. See you real soon.